Air quality in an industrial manufacturing environment can be harmful. Particles from oil smoke, oil mist, and dust reduce the life expectancy of machines and can cause serious health issues for employees. During operation, the CNC machine produces airborne particles, and when those spread out, it results in an unsafe environment. Problems you may experience include odor, slippery and dirty surfaces, unexpected production stops, not to mention absence due to illness. Erity, the new filter unit from Absolent, prevents the contaminated air from leaking out. The particles are drawn and transported through the ducting and into the filter unit, resulting in 99.95% clean air. Erity has several filter stages made to capture the largest to the smallest particles. A unique composition of fiber material is developed for each cassette, where the last stage is a HEPA 13 filter to guarantee clean air for at least 8,760 running hours, maintenance-free. Absolent's unique catch-and-release system ensures long-lasting filters which provide a low life cycle cost and the opportunity to reuse process oils, for example, by guiding it back to the CNC machine. Erity comes with EcoDrive functionality, which utilizes an energy-efficient EC fan. It will increase its airflow when the door of the machine is opened, thus preventing contaminated air from escaping the machine, keeping the operator safe. EcoDrive keeps your machines in good condition and will reduce energy cost. With Erity's IoT solution, you have the opportunity to continuously monitor your filter units. Get a full overview, track your air quality, and get notifications when needed. Benefits include plan for next filter change or when it is time to empty the oil container. With the flexibility to scale to the need and the opportunity to customize between a variety of user interfaces, options, and combinations thereof. With Erity, there is a filter unit for everyone. Choose clean air. Choose Erity.